Never underestimate your opponent.
Check it out. It's us, man.
Son, I'm the prophet.
Listen up, haters,
Buster,
enemies,
foes,
fake heads,
shit talkers, listen up close.
knuckleheads,
Backstabbers,
instigators,
track rappers,
ego trippers.
This one's for y'all.
It seems as though more and more cats wanna know about us and the platinum flow. The underground sound with the East Coast feel, Northeast flow with the Midwest appeal. You never knew Jess could flow like this, well me neither. I guess I made myself a believer. Yo, you know Jess laid back with the flow. You better grab your hoe, I'm a Mac with the flow. Jealous cats don't know how to act with the flow. Haters wanna yak, I'll attack with the flow. See us perform spectacular show. Yo, y'all motherfuckers better act like you know. The beat drops, you wild out like the locks. The crowd be getting so much bounce in these shocks. I'm about to break the law, you better call the cops. Cause when I get the flowing, I'm never gonna stop. You have to drag me off stage to the parking lot and stomp on my voice box till I can't talk. I still come back trying to rock the spot. That's just cause I live and die for hip hop.
Since a prophecy, y'all doubted me. Now lyrically, none of y'all can fuck with me. Watch mad skills switch up. Honeys, get your ass up. Fill your cup, throw your hands up. Haters slipped up. We destruct all your plans of hate. Yo, construct ill beats from the crates. Put all these fake fucks in the place. Tell these whack MCs that they're not shit to the face. One time for my cats over north, what? 2 times for the south side, give it up. Northeast for the beat, we about to creep up. Haters freeze up, stop thinking you'll defeat us. Bounce in the club until you can't no more. Players, see them honeys, what you waiting for? Honeys, can you make that shit drop to the floor? Bounce back up, you gotta spin it for more. Come on, new millennium, the prophets we be giving them the maximum. In their sounds, not the minimum. Hitting them with the hot shit, who you rock with? Come on, with who? The prophet. This one goes out to those who never show no love when they go to shows. This one here goes out to the people in the rear who never stand up and cheer. Yo, this one is dedicated to the haters who said we'd never make it. But look at here, we still going strong and you steady bumping our tracks all night long.
Cats think I'm not versatile and I'm disrespectful cause I curse and smile. That's just how I flow, you don't have to respect it. If you don't like it, there's the exit. Kids who know Jess are less affected, but first time heads is always skeptic. They analyze the flow and double check it. Like it or not, they know what's expected. Simple with the flow, never too complex, kid. The blue-eyed kid with dimples ready to wreck shit. Let's all get together and represent it. I'm calling on cats, but they disconnected. You say one thing, then you second guess it. You had your credibility, you should have kept it. And if I'm not impressed when you back it up, don't get mad at Jess, I just wanna see you back it up. MCs better face the facts, we all that. And a shot of cognac with a chaser rap. And when our album drops in the summer, I got one word for the others, bummer.
Punk motherfuckers, fake ass busters, who drops ill shit for hip hop lovers. Discover who's real and who's not. Don't even got a record deal, but still we got hotter shit than what you sign cats drop. You got dope beats? Huh, probably not. Y'all spend cheese on average beats while we spend no dough to compose a masterpiece. Word on the streets of prophets got a lot of heat. No longer discreet, don't even try to compete. Y'all sound weak, your rhymes incomplete. Next time design a rhyme that's more unique. Ayo, technique spinning, checking out the women. Ugly haters playing in the back, steady grinning. The whack never winning. Those who doubted, the prophets are now asking to be forgiven. And every time we hit them with that new shit, crews be like, how the fuck are they doing it? Well, you all try harder to impress record execs. The prophet spit lyrics to true heads respect.
Haters,
Buster,
enemies,
foes,
fake heads,
shit talk, listen up close.
knuckleheads,
Backstabbers,
instigators,
track rappers,
ego trippers.
This one's for y'all.
Haters,
Busters,
enemies,
foes,
fake heads,
shit talkers, listen up close.
knuckleheads,
Backstabbers,
instigators,
track rappers,
ego trippers.
this one's for y'all. Haters, this one's for y'all. Busters, this one's for y'all. Enemies, this one's for y'all. This one's for y'all. Foes, this one's for y'all. Fake heads, this one's for y'all. Shit talkers, this one's for y'all. This one's for y'all. This one goes out to those who never show no love when they go to shows. This one here goes out to the people in the rear who never stand up and cheer. Yo, this one is dedicated to the haters who said we'd never make it. But look at here, we still going strong and you steady bumping our tracks all night long. Knuckleheads, this one's for y'all. Backstabbers, this one's for y'all. Instigators, this one's for y'all. This one's for y'all. Track rappers, this one's for y'all. Ego trippers, this one's for y'all. Non-believers, this one's for y'all. This one's for y'all.